This is 8-inch speaker pod installation 101, 14 and up. Comes with instructions. There is a little bit of cutting that you have to do before you install them. Then you can bolt them on or mold them on. Go ahead, sir.
Yes. Now first you'll just remove this one's already been cut. We don't have a bunch of fairings lying around, but you take your speakers out and remove your mirror. Set this on there. I'll take a silver Sharpie and just kind of mark the inside so you know what material you have to remove. Then take
Go on. We overcut this, by the way. We hacked this up.
Yeah, a little bit. Then after I cut that, I'll come in here and I'll make a mark right here, just so you know not to remove any material beyond that or it'll be exposed. But then you need to leave a little bit here. We got a measurement in the instructions about how much you need to leave, because you'll have a mounting hole right here. But there's just one little corner here that really you need to get away in order for this to sit down. Then you'll come in, you'll drill a hole here through your fairing, drill a hole here. Then the other one will go right through your old mirror mounting hole.
Also, if you're not bonding them on, you'll have to, it comes with a trim strip in here that'll take up this gap right here.
That's on this side here.
Oh, there you go. There's no other way to do these. Otherwise, this would be paper thin if we made it butt right up against it. But if you're molding it on, then you have, you can grind inside there and mold it on thusly. But that's how it should look. But you have tons of room for speaker depth inside there after that. So there it is.
Yeah, every 8-inch speaker we have fits in here.
Yep.
You might have to remove a little bit of the bracing as we did here, but you'll see once you try to fit it in.
Yeah, it's bike building, not Legos. Anyway, there you go, guys. Enjoy. Get loud. Dirty Bird.